back to Spy Kids though. The fact that we don't have a microwave that can just zap a burger and fries.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
What are we doing here as a country?
What is the flying cars?
Fuck a Tesla. Fuck a Tesla. Make a microwave that you can zap some fucking burgers
What do
into.
you guys consider the newest technology that is leading us into the future? Because, for example, Elon.
Because with Blue Chew, if you
The recent one I would
sponsor
say
us, motherfucker, then we can do that.